How to delete a project in Podcastle. To begin, click the Podcastle link provided in the description below. Sign up for new account or log in if you already have one and navigate to the dashboard. Within the dashboard, locate the project section. It should be displayed prominently on the main page. Each project will be listed separately, with a title or a brief description to help you identify them easily. Next, identify the specific project you would like to delete from the list. Click on it to enter the project interface. Once inside the project interface, locate the Settings tab. It is usually represented by a cogwheel icon or 3 horizontal dots. Now, scroll down within the Settings menu until you spot the Delete option. This is usually placed towards the bottom of the page. Another method is by clicking the 3 dots on the right-hand side of the project you want to delete and locate the Delete Project option. Congratulations! Your project has been successfully deleted from Podcastle. Please note that this action cannot be undone, so make sure you have a backup if needed.